Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing, and today we are looking at the Perrin WRX pulley covers for the 22 and up VB chassis, and I am feeling the vibes. This is a great upgrade for you guys and girls who love popping the hood. The Perrin cover is a direct replacement of the factory plastic cover, constructed of 5052 plate aluminum and a high quality powder coat finish. Included in the box is one cover in your choice of color, all additional hardware plus Allen wrench, a small 3M sticky pad, a pair of high-performance stickers, and a very detailed instruction sheet to help walk you through the very basic installation. So thanks for taking a look at the Perrin pulley covers for the VB chassis Subaru WRX. For thousands of parts just like this plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for the best deals on the web and in the world, and we will catch you on the next one.